Hello everyone, we are so excited to bring you this room tour of the beautiful Category 1B 2-story Royal Suite. This is the Briar Rose Suite. It is absolutely gorgeous. It does sleep up to 6 adults and has plenty of room for everyone.
Yeah, there is no worries finding space in this room. There are actually two of these two-story suites here on the Wish. One on this corner and one on the other one. That one is Princess Aurora. Same layout, kind of mirror image, but slightly different theming to fit the Briar Rose or Princess Aurora theme. We can't wait to show you this room.
Let's go check it out.
So we're gonna head into the room here. And as you can see when we come in, we have a little bit of storage space over on the right. We've got a couple closets and the mirror right in between the two closets. I know it's a Briar Rose theme here, but I feel like it's BB-8 with a halo. I don't know why I feel like that's what it looks like. You've got a little trinket tray here with a bird. Lots of little woodland creatures throughout this room in the theming. Our closets here have plenty of storage space. We've got a closet rod and some storage down below. We've got these drawers. You will find ample storage space throughout the room. I'll try to point out some of it as we go through, but there is more than enough here in this room for 6 people. This door right ahead of me is one of our bathrooms here. This is the one that's not connected to any of the bedrooms. You've got a toilet and a vanity in here. Again, lots more storage here on the wall, all throughout the room. Tons and tons of storage. Single vanity here and that beautiful lighted mirror. We have the walk-in shower that has the detachable shower head as well as the rainfall style shower head. And the premium toiletries here in the room as well. Just a slight step up from the regular concierge rooms. And then we can head into the main part of the room. You have this mural on the right of all these birds, really pretty. And you can see spiral staircase. Yes, this is a 2-story suite. It is absolutely incredible. Beautiful views all the way around. When you first come in here, you're in the kitchen. You have fully stocked cabinets with things you may need, like wine glasses and champagne flutes. Lots of different items that you may need throughout the room here. We have an outlet here as well as a 220 outlet. You have a full-size fridge and 2 freezers here in this room. This is actually your fridge. Of course, fully stocked with drinks from the concierge there. The freezer down on the bottom has an ice cube maker. So you've got ice here, which is something you usually don't have, of course, in the mini fridges in regular rooms. We have a Nespresso coffee machine fully loaded over here with lots of different choices of the pods there. Of course, we have a sink as well. We've got a wine cooler over here that has a few bottles in there. There's also a bottle up here that was left as a stateroom gift. You can see we have a charger here. This is actually a charger for any phone or AirPods or watch or anything like that that does the wireless charging. You've got the pad here with the different options, and it's actually sitting on top of some additional outlets if you need those. There's USB and USB-C as well as those regular wall outlets. You can control the entire room's lighting here with some different preset options. You can also control the blinds around the room using that. It's pretty cool. The living room here, you actually have a queen-size pull-out sofa, and you have the beautiful pictures of Sleeping Beauty's artwork here with the castle and her friends in the woods drawn right there. Absolutely beautiful. They've got the wood kind of accents here, like the lamp being made out of gold-plated wood, which is really cool. And our TV in this room is actually inside that cabinet right there. You just use the remote to open it up and then wait for it to slowly rise up and come on, which is really cool. We're going to continue on the tour as that's coming up. We've got our dining room here, beautiful table with a butterfly on the little fruit bowl there. We've got a platter of treats here from the concierge, and again, all around the room, lots of outlets that you can plug into and tons of beautiful lighting. We've got this incredible embroidered piece of artwork here with the split design pink and blue dress that Sleeping Beauty wears towards the end of the movie, and of course her crown there. The master bedroom is right here off of the dining room. You can see we've got the sliding pocket doors, one on each side. We've got a king-size bed here with a beautiful bed runner that has the Disney Wish logo embroidered into it right there. Lots of storage underneath the bed, of course. You have that raised bed so you can store your luggage down there. On each side of the bed, we have a lamp as well as a small nightstand with a drawer. Once again, lots and lots of storage space all around the room, including the little makeup area over here. You've got some wall outlets over there by the makeup mirror, including some USB wall outlets. And then on those little nightstands, you do have some outlets as well. They're just hiding back inside that little cubby there. At the end of the bed, you have your TV, and then of course you do have access to the veranda from this room. We'll head out and show you the veranda in just a moment. And first we're gonna head into the bathroom area, this door right over here off the bedroom. But to get to the bathroom, you have to go through the huge walk-in closet. Has sliding doors to open it up, lots and lots of space in here. And on the other side, this half of the closet's where you're gonna find those fancy concierge robes. You've got the plush robes with the concierge logo, and of course some slippers down there for you as well. Very fancy up here in this room. And this door is where you're going to find your en-suite bathroom. Pretty good sized bathroom. You've got the walk-in shower there, a little bit bigger than all the other ones on the ship, I think. You've got a toilet over here in the corner, and then our double vanity here with, of course, those upgraded toiletries there with our soap and our lotion. Beautiful countertop there, and of course storage down below it. Your shower is a detachable shower head and an overhead rainfall style shower head, just like the one bathroom we saw when we first came into the room. And there's a small little bench over here as well. Now we're gonna head out and check out that beautiful veranda that does spread all the way from the master bedroom here across to the living room and dining room. You can see the TV here has come all the way out. Takes it just a minute to come up, but I guess you're in no hurry when your TV is magically rising out of the console there. This deck is absolutely incredible here on this room. Lots of seating, lots of space. You have a table with chairs over here. You've got a couple plush chairs over on this side. Beautiful plexiglass railing around so you can see out onto the ocean. And yes, that is a whirlpool hot tub here on your veranda. So if you have this room, you have your own private hot tub out on your gigantic veranda. Unbelievable. I just absolutely love this part of the room. We do have to head upstairs though and check out the other bedroom that's in here because we do have that second story to see. So we're gonna head up the spiral staircase here in the center to see the other bedroom. In here you can see this is just about the same layout as the bedroom downstairs, a little bit different. You've got your nightstand on each side with that same little lamp with the birds on it, and of course those USB and wall outlets tucked inside there. Your bed is a king size bed once again, and that storage is available underneath the bed, and you've got the TV down here at the foot of the bed. Over here though we have a beautiful ocean view. We've got a chair you can sit in if you want to turn it towards the window here. And there are buttons by the bed to open or close these curtains. Of course, there's no veranda up here on this deck, but you do have a nice view out these windows. We've got a desk over here where you have a few outlets as well as a lamp, and of course, a nice chair to sit in there. And then we're gonna head into the bathroom because this room does have its own bathroom as well. You've got a closet you have to go through first. Again, a huge closet, tons and tons of storage space. You've got robes and slippers in here as well, and a huge mirror all the way down this entire wall. So they've got plenty of space for the person who has the secondary bedroom here. You've got some storage over here on the left if you need additional space beyond all the closets that you already have. They have a pocket door that closes off this bathroom, and you can see this bathroom here is pretty nice because it has a panoramic ocean view all the way across. And if you're in the shower or in the tub and don't want to have transparent windows, they've thought of that too. With the switch on the wall, you can frost the glass and take care of that, which is really cool. The walk-in shower here, once again, huge. You have the rainfall shower head up top and the detachable shower head. And our vanity in here is a double vanity, just like the one downstairs. Huge mirror all the way across that's lighted, and then a small little room here where you'll find your toilet. So really opulent space here. Tons and tons of storage and beautiful fixtures. So many things to see in this room. It is absolutely incredible. And that is going to conclude our tour of this 2-story royal suite here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe.
And make sure you check out all the other videos on the channel. We have a ton of room tours across all the Disney Cruise Line ships, as well as other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.